Hello aliens, welcome back to my channel, and this is the next video wherein I'll be explaining you the today's trade, that how I took it and what exactly the overall scenario of the market was. So today is the 17th of May, and yes, without wasting any time, let's get started. So yes, it was a pretty amazing day for today. The market sentiment was extremely bullish for today, I would say, because as per the overall sentiment, if you can see that from the previous days, from the previous weeks, we were continuously seeing a downside move. But so what really happened today is that there was a very good reversal that happened, and the market Nifty was 2.63% positive today. So yes, it was an overall green closing that we can see over here for today. Market definitely crossed the level of 16,000, and it was a really amazing closing that we saw today at the level of 16,259, which was quite surprising because even I was not expecting that market to be that high for today. So yes, because as per the overall scenario, if you can see from the weekly chart of the Nifty 50, what really happened is that we were continuously seeing the red candles on the weekly chart, and there was a halt. I mean, as per the, if you can see from here on the weekly chart, there was a consolidation at this point in time at the level of 15,700. So I was expecting the same, that the market should take a pause over here because it's a good support over here and it shouldn't be crossing this level smoothly. I was expecting a small pause, but what exactly happened today, basis on the today's market, it just clearly took a good reversal, and the market, the candle was definitely a big one. Let's see on the day's chart. It's a really big candle. Market traveled around 417 points. It did not exactly travel 417 points because as per the global scenario, we were expecting the market to be a little bit bullish. We were expecting a gap up opening, and that's what happened. It opened around 0.5 percentage with a gap up. So it opened around 0.5% gap up, and let's go to the analysis that how the performance was for the today's market. Okay, so based on my analysis, what I was trying to do is that yes, there was a gap up opening. Let me show you my exact diagram over here. Okay. So around 9:15, when there was a gap up opening, I was pretty much sure that as it has already been, it's already above the CPR levels, then I was expecting the market to reach up to this point of the next pivot, and that's what really happened. It easily crossed the levels of, let me show you. So it actually crossed the levels. So it actually crossed the levels of these pivots around 980. So I was expecting the market to go up from, I was expecting the market that it's going to definitely go up 16,000 level. It's going to definitely travel above 16,000. So that's what my first target was. I was expecting the market to go in that direction. So what really happened exactly, that I was trying to find the negative scenario, because as per the overall scenario, I was expecting some sort of a selling that's gonna come. But what really happened is that it easily crossed the level of 16,092, wherein I had my next pivot drawn, and basis on that, I was expecting some sort of a reversal over here. As you can see in the 5-minute chart, all the candles are green. It was completely bullish, and as per the analysis of mine, what exactly I follow is the RSI indicator and some EMA. The candles were quite and far away from the 5 EMA, so that's what happened today, and I was not able to find any kind of a selling point. Yes, there were some candles that can be seen over here at this point in time, but yes, those were not enough to reverse the direction of the market. So yes, it easily crossed this level, and around this time, there was some sort of a selling that was trying, or the sellers were trying to come in the market. They were trying to jump in the market, and they were trying to reverse the direction of the market, but that did not happen. Once it crossed the level of 16,100, the market started to show some sort of a sluggish nature, because as you can see in the first half, the market was extremely bullish, then a little bit of sluggishness was there, and it was going in the upside direction but with a little bit of sluggish momentum. So I was expecting the market to fall around this level, 16,160, because I thought that the market has already been 2% up, and it shouldn't be happening in such a way that it's going to go up and up in the upside movement. And there must have been some sort of a profit booking or pullback should be coming, and that's what happened around let me show you my trade as well, that how exactly I did my analysis. So at this point around 1:30, it was around 1 o'clock, yes, it was around 1:15, yes. So there was a small 5-minute candle that happened. I thought it was a profit booking, and that's the reason the trade did not go in my direction. So around 1:15, the market took a pause, and yes, there was one again red candle that came, and I thought, it's as per my analysis and as per my setup, it was following up. The candle was crossing the previous lows, and the RSI was also coming down, and as per the pivots, I was thinking that it's not gonna go up to this level of 16,206. So I took the entry at this point, and as soon as I took the entry, let me show you what I traded today. So I took the entry with shorting 16,250. I shorted at the price at the premium of 75 with 100 quantity. So the trade did not go in my direction. As soon as I took the entry, it suddenly came back to its original position, and it took the reversal. So my stop loss got triggered, and I had to exit my trade at the price of 94. So that's what happened in the today's trade. I took a loss today, and yes, if I would have gone with the direction of the market, I would have easily traded with a really good profit. But yes, as per my setup, I prefer doing option selling. But yes, I prefer selling CEs because of the overall sentiment. I was expecting some sort of a fall to come, and I was waiting for that, but market did not give me any kind of an opportunity. I've all of my analysis and all of my logics were getting wrong in today's market, and that's the reason I was not able to take the entry and took the profit. So overall, it was a good day. I had learned so many things, and as you can see from the markets data, all of these sectors are positive, and all of the things are really bullish, I would say. Let me show you that all the sectors majorly, be it IT or auto sector, energy sector, if we can see that all of them are closing in a green side. All of them are 3%, 2%, 6%. All of the sectors are really green today. And yes, the major thing I wanted to mention, that I'm not exactly sure what really happened in the market today. Yes, as per the technical analysis, we can say that the market took a pause and there was a reversal. A small reversal has to come, and people were waiting for that, and that's, I believe, what happened today. But overall, it was a day wherein the LIC IPO had opened. Yes, because of the negative GMP of LIC, there was a negative opening, and it closed around minus 7.77%. So yes, that's what people were that's what the analysis was going for the LIC IPO, and because of its negative GMP and negative sentiment, it was quite evident that it is not gonna go up. So that's what happened, and Nifty actually performed really well. And also, if you would have to see the bank Nifty, it's closing at 2.10%, and it has actually crossed 34,000, and overall it traveled for 704 points. It has actually crossed the level of 34,000. And talking about the Sensex also performed really well, and we can see that let me just take a look. So it has traveled 1344 points. That's a really good bullish sign in the market. So can we say that it's a reversal? I won't say that it's a reversal, because we can still expect some sort of a fall, because definitely it's just a halt over here in the market. We cannot clearly say that it has taken the reversal, because the reversal would be evident and would be justified if the market is gonna cross around 50% of the previous candle. Because as you can see that when it started falling from the levels of 18,000, there was a pause, and it was actually a pause of some really good points. It was a pause of, on a weekly chart, the market traveled for, it's not, let me show you. So market actually traveled 16,925 to 350. So yes, it traveled around 500 points overall in a week. So can we say that to be as a reversal? But no, it was not a reversal. It was just a small halt. And right after that week, we were continuously seeing two big red candles. And that's what I believe over here is happening. It is a good support. So market has taken a halt over here. And I believe that for this week, it would not cross the level of at least 16,500. We can definitely see consolidation from tomorrow, or maybe from Thursday, or by the end of the Friday. It is not gonna cross 16,500 as per my analysis. And if we have to see from the downside, then I would say that 15,500 is definitely a good support from the bottom. So that's what my analysis is. And you can see that I booked a small loss for today. I won't say that it was a bad day. There was so much of learning from the market. It was overall a good day. I traded well, though I took a loss, but yes, it's a part of the journey, so it's completely okay. But I learned a lot. I tried to test some different things. I was able to notice many good points, and yes, that's what I learned today. So that's it in this video, guys. I hope you liked this analysis, and I hope we have also got some bits and pieces from this video. But yes, it's the trading journal that I'm just recording over here, and I will be following up, and I'll be coming up with some good videos wherein I will be telling you more setups and some more things which I can share with you all. Till then, thanks for watching. Thank you for your patience. See you next time.